Hi, my name is Stephanie Viscelli. I'm a litigation attorney here at Stanley Law. If we feel that you meet the serious injury threshold, we will negotiate with the insurance company to get you the maximum award. If the insurance company is unwilling to resolve your claim in a manner that's fair, we will litigate your case. The litigation process is a long and extensive process. It involves filing of a summons and complaint, written discovery, depositions, an independent medical exam, and eventually trial. Under New York State insurance law, section 5102D, there are a number of categories under which you may qualify to bring a serious injury claim. There's a fracture, which essentially can be a fracture of any body part, including your teeth. There is a category called disfigurement, which essentially is any type of significant scarring that if a reasonable person looked at it, they would feel uncomfortable or self-conscious about the scar that they have. There's loss of a body part, which is any type of amputation. Another category is you are totally temporarily disabled for more than 90 out of 180 days immediately following the accident. That means that you are unable to go to work, you're unable to go to school, you're unable to participate in the majority of your daily living activities. Another category that you can qualify to bring a serious injury claim is that you have a significant limitation. And essentially, the majority of those cases are things like back injuries, neck injuries. We see a lot of shoulder, rotator cuff problems, or a knee injury, categories that essentially people call soft tissue injuries. And those injuries take a significant amount of time to determine whether or not they'll be permanent or they restrict your daily activities. If you fit into that category, it usually takes us a significant amount of time to track your medical records, and your treatment will normally take a longer process than if you suffered a fracture or some type of scarring, some laceration with recovery. That type of injury needs to be documented by objective medical evidence, either an MRI, an EMG, or an X-ray, or some type of CT, something that substantiates the claim. That category is very similar to the category that's known as permanent consequential limitation. In that category, a doctor has to determine that the injury that you've sustained is permanent, meaning that you will have it forever, and that permanency is something that is significant, that it's not mild, it has to be moderate or severe. And usually with clients like that, we find that they're either unable to return to the job that they had previously, or they're going to be restricted permanently in their daily activities. So those are the categories that you may qualify to bring a claim under. And if you do fit into one of those categories, then we can seek to recover pain and suffering for you.